Hello friends, today we will discuss about on a very interesting topic on how the dreams of snake is connected with Kundalini awakening. Let's talk a little bit about Kundalini. Kundalini, the secret and dangers of the coiled serpent. Kundalini, which means the coiled one, is the invisible holy energy that yogis believe resides at the base of our spines, coiled just like a snake in the equally invisible energy center called chakras, called Mooladhar, means root chakra, close to the coccyx. Yogis believe that no spiritual knowledge and final nirvana is possible without awakening the Kundalini energy. When awakening through long years of Hatha yoga, meditation, prayers, and grace, Kundalini allegedly rises along the Sushuma and non-physical energy channel that parallels the human spine and shoots up towards the brain. Along the way, Kundalini supposedly, according to the classical description to yogic texts the seven chakras until it reaches the one of the top of the skull, the crown chakra or the crown plexus. There are thousands of books in the market today describing each and every chakra and the colors, fragrances, sounds, etc. That is revealed with the Kundalini through each chakra. They are all fascinating read really. Already we have a short knowledge on Kundalini. Here are some of the manifestations of awakened Kundalini. Number 1, enlightenment. Number 2, bliss, feeling of infinite love and the universal connectivity. Number 3, awakened sense of smell, hearing, taste. Number 4, no longer controlled by desire. Number 5, sound heard in the uh, gland, which is very enjoyable. Number 6, change in the thyroid, sudden ability to sing in perfect speech, change in voice. Number 7, change in the sex organs. Number 8, change in breathing. Number 9, energy rushes or feelings of electricity circulating the body. This tinkling feeling you will experience. Number 10, turmoil, shaking, itching, tinkling, and crawling sensations, especially in the arms and legs. Number 11, sweating or sometimes you are feeling sweating, heat, and cold, especially as energy is experienced passing through the chakras. Like this, there are many type of symptoms like headaches, migraine, or pressure inside the skull. Relief of this pressure during an awakening may be felt as a depending on the person and their body at the time of awakening begin to occur. Pain in different areas of your body, sensitivity to light, sound, and touch, and like this. Sometimes few people become vegetarian, and change in body odor means sweatness and their body health. The key concept to understand is that Kundalini is upward travel along the Sushuma is a cleaning process. I'm repeating this again. Kundalini's upward travel along the Sushuma is a cleaning process. Yes, it burns its way up, and yogis literally feel uh, tremendous heat generated during this process. But that is a good burn, since it supposedly um, incarn- incinerates many lifetime worth of bad impressions and energy blocks that prevent us from releasing our own true nature. So now we will discuss about those who are dreaming snakes. uh, what is the connection of dreaming snake and with this kundalini awakening? Actually, dreaming snake is very spiritual. If you are dreaming snakes on your, if you are seeing snakes in your dreams, that means it has a very spiritual meanings. First, I will discuss about twin flames. One of the another prominent dream time experience that you may have if you have met your twin flame is to have them show up in your dreams. One of the reason that I recommend writing down your dream is because if you look back, you may find clues as to what will happen. In my case, I dreamt about both my twin flame uh, coming into my life as well as him leaving my life. Both dreams I have before I met him. It was only until later, as I was reading through my old journals, and I could piece together. I could piece together several key points in the dream that indicates that situations that would occur later. After meeting my TF, means twin flame, then began to show up in my dream time quite frequently. At the time, I was very confused as well. When it comes to people showing up in your dreams, there are few things that can be happening. One is they are represent an aspect to yourself. They can also be actual interaction to another plane of existence. I was very confused as to why he means my twin flame was showing up like this, because he appeared to be teaching me or guiding me in the dream. Overall, I was freaked out because I couldn't understand why he kept appearing in my dreams. Now suddenly I start seeing snakes on my dreams. One of the key sign of kundalini activation is dreaming of snakes. This was one of the marked dream time characters that showed up in my dreams. The key to pay attention to what is happening with the snakes and to evaluate the meaning. This will help you understand where you are in the process. The Kundalini energy is represented to represented as two serpents, and if you look at Egyptian status statues, Egyptian statues, you will see a snake coming out of the third eye area. It is the common to dream of two snakes as well. Currently, I continue to have dreams about snake, and I am on this journey too. So, I hope you have uh, much. I hope you have much help through my experience and my video. If you want to share your experience also, you can share it on my comment box. Thank you so much for watching my channel, watching my videos, and I will surely share my much valuable information on my next videos. Please stay tuned. Please follow my channel and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.